bu kot kecaka bu ya ke bam di bat kecaka bam. Hadian balami ke kendram haskul ba nehu ha kebayadai bat ke eksamen CUET undergraduate arhajar arposau ke Seng HYC kala dawa ya kejing tok kit ke babiang halor ke nikapang ke Seng HYC ha kesni palai kala IT ya ke Shithi sya Myntri ke Tnat Pule puti urakam sangma ha ke ba la penpau syapang ki huri hura bat cingkul mar cingmut ki belachia dangshen hanehu da ke baong bakani ke jingcia kala pen lengkum jingmut bat bu jing shibun ki samla Pule ka Seng HYC kala ong bagi brieu bat ki he ki han ki badon kti ha kani ke jing bakla ka bakrau ki dai ban shim ya ke jingket kli ha ka ju kapor Myntri ula pentip syakilat patai kubor ba Myntri rangba ke jela ukonrat ki sangma ula khot jingalang ki he ki han jong ka National Testing Agency bat jong ka skul ba nehu ha ka singi palai ban ya kren halor kani ke jingja.
ai cái trình thua ai cái trình thua so education minister ba udai ban pha asman ki college bi Tnat ki badu ban pho ya city ki dei ban pian namar ka dei ke jingle man hi ka dei ke jingle bom sunyau hi jong government dei ta kada ko saja ko ni
seriously. Honorable Chief Minister has taken note very seriously and have decided to take off the matter with the NTA, with the Government of India. At the interest of our students. There are many students who could not, there are some few students who could not appear in the exam as well, and there are many rural, students who have not registered for the CUET examination, and our Honorable Chief Minister will be taking up the matter with the NTA and the government.
Katanat PHE, ha kabak hadu